tunggu mau kau aja.
Honestly, I've been good. That's why I'm laughing right now. So I toasted my fish, and then I had to take my dog on a walk.
Who's winning?
Bro, why y'all playing FIFA? Like, honestly.
Bro, can you?
I got FIFA.
Can we turn on the lights, please? Kefa, I cannot see you. Wow.
Wow, young fellow white men.
Wow. Look at
Chilling
these
in the
white
car.
men.
We're all chilling in the car. Wow.
White lives matter.
White lives matter. White lives matter.
So let's rate this room.
Bro, Lil Tecca's looking tough.
Wow, I like Lil Tecca right here.
Lil Tecca's looking tough. That's why he won the World Cup.
That's why he's still alive. I love you, Lil Tecca. Keep grinding. Who else do we got? Another Lil Tecca.
Bro, we got you Herbo on the wall again.
Herbo, what you do for fun?
Everything.
Are you playing PlayStation?
This dude does not know how to play PlayStation.
Is that Michael Jordan?
Don't disrespect Curry like that. Don't ever disrespect Curry like that.
Fine, I'm sorry.
You should be. I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so sorry.
I hate you.
I hate you more.
Honestly, go drink the toilet water.
I was playing good defense.
What happened?
Bro, don't even talk to me. Don't start, bro.
Chatting.
Get the camera on my face. Get the camera on my face, bro.
Wait, so how many reservations?
What happened, Kefa? What happened, Kefa? Tell him what happened.
I choked a 10-point lead in 2K, bro.
20, how many?
How do you
How many
feel?
people do you know that?
How do you feel? Just tell me I'm sorry.
That you know that is like. Can you add?
Are we effing after this?
Kefa, stop saying that. I hate
Why
you.
did you even say that, bro?
I hate you. That's why we're married, and we
That's
have
why
2
we're
kids.
married. And we have
Make us on a contract.
and we have 5 kids. All have the same name.
And I'm cheating on them.
Yeah, we're not even there yet. We're 20 minutes away.
I'm
That's
cheating
what
on them
saying.
with you.
Yeah, they don't know about this. Me and
You're
my
not
kids are
there yet.
dating.
Me and my kids are dating, but
That's why we went to Africa a
Yeah.
week ago,
We-
and then we
we
went to
went to
play
someone's
monkeys
house.
with Russians.
To chill.
how were the Russians though? Were they like
Now we're-
Africans?
Bro, the Russians were acting like Nigerians.
Were they Africans?
Like they were acting like Nigerians, like they have never seen land before. Like,
Yeah,
bro,
if we get
you
that
live
before
in live in Croatia. Like, bro, how did I choke that game, bro? Come here, Tom. I swear, bro, I'm killing you, bro. I'll see you in the car. I'll see you in the car. Yeah, I'll see you in the car.
Kefa acting. Bro, actually, you can wake up somebody.
You could wake up.
This is such a mind F.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh my god. Listen, he said he doesn't like it.
Oscar, of course you can, bro. Don't you vlog me without my permission?
Don't you vlog you without
Not
what?
vlog me without my permission.
Or what?
He gonna kiss you?
I'm gonna kiss you.
F you, bro.
And what if your germs get on her phone?
Dang, that's true. It's just for the vlog. I'm so sorry. Not sorry.
Honestly, if I die,
Ooh, that rhyme.
Let me see the meat, bro. Oh my god, bro.
They got fries on fries on fries on fries on fries.
Look how nasty that is.
You said if I die, I die.
I'm gonna record this shit. This shit funny.
What is it? Bruh.
I need my charging brick.
Bro, I'm gonna hit you with it.
I'd appreciate it if you didn't. Bro, you might as well left this dude up and be like, bro, stop playing.
There's no brick here.
There's no brick?
The only brick I see is your head.
Seriously? There's no brick? I might just left the brick at the last time. I put it in my thing.
Why is it so funny?
It's actually hot, bro.
It's hot. It's too hot, bro. I'm in the door.
I like it.